Let's get in here, and welcome to a new series on MotoGP 18. And today we're going to be doing a Red Bull Rookies Grand Prix series, where basically everything is going to be in order of the game. So riders and laps and tracks and everything else is going to be in order. And also, before I do start, this video is scheduled, so it won't be on straight away. It will be on at about 10 or 11 o'clock. Because I'm recording it a bit early, just because I'm going to the dice in a bit, and obviously I don't want to upload it at this time. So yeah, it is scheduled, this video, so I know it's on a bit early, but it will be scheduled, so you will see it a bit later on when I'm either on my way home or I'm still at the club or something like that, I don't know. But yeah, I will let you know. But anyway, let's get into it. Yep, we're doing a Red Bull Rookies Grand Prix series. Well, basically, I'm going to be at the back of the grid every time, and I'm going to try and see how many wins I can get from there. Yeah, we're not doing qualifying, and we're not doing qualifying, just because I think I'm too good for qualifying now. So I'll only be doing qualifying in career videos now. I won't be doing that in any Grand Prix or anything like that. Just because I think it's far too easy on that. So I'll only be doing it based on career mode now. I'll only be doing all qualifying the full weekend and stuff like that. Yeah, just to let you all know. And yep, it'll be 1-in-1 video as well. So let's go and just get on the way.
Hello and welcome to the Jerez de la Frontera circuit. Just a few more minutes.
Right then.
A few minutes to go, then today's race will begin. Right now we're at the starting grid, waiting for the riders to receive the signal to start the warm-up lap.
Okay, right then. Let's get underway. And obviously we're doing it for the officials because obviously on this MotoGP you can't actually be your own rider on Red Bull Rookies bikes. So unfortunately we can only do it on the officials, because when you do go to your own rider, you're going to be on this bike that you want in career mode, so you can't actually do it on this MotoGP, which is really annoying. But at least we are doing it on the MotoGP 17 anyway, so it's fine. But anyway, here we go. And obviously there's not many races in this, so it'll probably be a short one, but we'll do something different when we come to that. So anyway, here we go. Let's go and see if we can win. I think this guy's called Aiden. I believe this guy in order. I can't actually remember his name, but here we go. And we're doing 25 as well. We're not doing F15, just because that's in random videos, and I don't want to copy it. So I was starting from 25, and this will be for them all. So anyway, let's see what we can do. We're not a good start. Let's see if we can win then, shall we? Ooh, not a good start. So we've not made any places up yet, but kind of still at the back. See if we can make some places. Here we go. Right, made some places up. 21st. A lot of riders on the Red Bull Rookies. Oh god, there we go. There's a lot of riders in this. Oh, we're dropping again. Right, 22nd, 21st. Right, 20th. Not bad start. We might not be able to get the win, but if we get a position that we want to be in, that's fine. So obviously, all the Red Bull Rookies bikes go all the same speed, so obviously they're all the same distance speeds. We might not be able to win this one. Right, made more. 15th for in the points. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher. It'd be good if we're getting the top 10. That'll be good for us. It'd be good if we're getting the top 10. Oh, we're now at the points again. Get out of the way. I just realised it's actually quite difficult to overtake riders on this MotoGP. I don't know why. Well, that's the thing I've kind of noticed about this MotoGP. It's difficult to overtake riders. I don't even know why. I don't even know why it's that difficult. Don't know. But anyway, we're now back where we were. If we go up to 13th. Got 2 laps left to go. We're just about getting the top 10 in the next lap. Can we get Dan Jones on this corner? Might be able to get his slipstream if we're quite near to him, but obviously they're all going to be going the same speed, so I don't really know. Come on, let's get him. There we go, we've got him. Ooh, curves again. We're going to be holding on to 12th because he might come back. He's trying to come back. Adrian's up next. We get on his slipstream. Not yet. We might just about get the top 10 if we can hold on to 11th now. That we're in right now. If Adrian doesn't come back. He might end up getting us back on the first corner. Here he comes. Yeah, okay, we've held it on. Might just about get 10th. Might just about get 10th place from Stewart. Come on. Ooh. Not just about getting from him. Here we go. Just about. Just about. Okay. Oh no, he's come back. He's come back through. I'm going to try and attack on this corner then. There we go. Hopefully I don't come back this time. He's trying. He's trying to come back. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, he's coming back. He's come back. Get him back again. I think it's going to be a battle for 10th here. Can we hold on to 10th place for this first race? Oh, it's going to be close actually. He's right there. He really wants that place back. I think we've just got him, I think. Just about. No, don't think we're going to get any more higher. Yeah, we've got it. So it's going to be 10th place for the first one. Not bad. Not bad. So there we go. Not bad for the first one. We're now on level 67 still.
While we wait for the cameras to take us to the Parc Ferme to meet the stars of the race, let's take a quick look at the final race ranking.
So Dan Ucho managed to win that. Let's take a look at the replay. That was not a bad start. Well, obviously we weren't that high, but yeah. So no, obviously there is a lot of Red Bull rookies bikes, but obviously, like I said, we didn't do too bad. Well, not a bad start. Not a bad start we did anyway. But yeah, not a bad start. So yeah, that's the end of the first one there. Yeah, that's the end of the first one. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. So we'll continue in the next one. Hopefully, get a bit better. And yeah, let's see how the next one goes. So for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.